Hi there, kids. Today we have a special talk about earthquakes. Our guest is Mr. Imago, who knows a lot about them. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Can you tell us what happened in the recent earthquake?
Of course, an earthquake happened yesterday. It was like a big shake from the ground. It is magnitude 7. The shake started from a place called Turkey, around 5 miles.
Wow, that's far. Did anything get hurt?
Yes! Some things get bumped around. Buildings roll and some things we use every day. But don't worry, people are working to fix them.
Why do earthquakes happen?
Great question. Under the ground, they are big pieces of puzzle. Sometimes these pieces move and make the ground shake. That's why we feel an earthquake. Our place is close to where our pieces move, so we get earthquakes sometimes.
How can we be ready for earthquakes?
Being ready is super important. Having a special kit like water, and snacks, and things you need. Also talk to your family about the ground shakes you feel. It's like having a plan game.
What should we do when the ground shakes?
Safety first. If you are inside, find a table and hide under. It will protect you. If you are outside, go to a spot with no buildings. After the shake, check your family if they are okay and be careful.
Thanks for sharing that. Any last things to say?
Remember, we can tell the ground will shake, but we can be ready. Learning about earthquakes and how to stay safe is super cool and important.
Thanks for joining us, Mr. Imago, the science expert. We learned a lot.
My pleasure. Stay safe.